Huawei smartwatches, a guide to the latest model and features. Huawei is a leading global provider of smart devices, including smartwatches and bands. Huawei's wearables are designed to offer ultimate design, versatile classics, smart technology, trendy fashion, and health and care features for different needs and preferences. Gad Insider introduces here some of the latest and most popular models of Huawei smartwatches and their benefits. Huawei Watch GT4. One of the newest models of Huawei smartwatches is the Huawei Watch GT4, which is a fashion-forward device that features a 1.43-inch AMOLED color screen, Bluetooth calling, pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, SpO2 tracking, cycle calendar, 100+ workout modes, and a dual-band 5-system GNSS positioning system. The Huawei Watch GT4 also has a newly intelligent antenna array that ensures stable connection and a long battery life up to 14 days. Huawei Watch 4. Another model that's worth mentioning is the Huawei Watch 4, which is a smartwatch that supports eSIM cellular calling, allowing users to make and receive calls without a phone. The Huawei Watch 4 also has a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED color screen, dive up to 30 meters capability, ECG analysis, free diving mode, golf mode, and a single band 5 system GNSS positioning system. The Huawei Watch 4 has a typical usage of 3 days under standard mode and up to 14 days under ultra-long battery life mode. Huawei Watch Fit 2. For those who are looking for a more affordable and compact option, the Huawei Watch Fit 2 might be a good choice. The Huawei Watch Fit 2 has a 1.74-inch Huawei full-view display, Bluetooth calling, heart rate monitoring, sleep management, cycle calendar, 100+ workout modes, and a built-in GPS. The Huawei Watch Fit 2 has a battery life of up to 10 days. Huawei smartwatches are not only stylish and functional, but also reliable and durable. They're made with high-quality materials and advanced technologies that ensure a smooth and comfortable user experience. Huawei smartwatches are compatible with Android and iOS devices and can be easily paired with Huawei's own app, Huawei Health, which provides comprehensive health and fitness data and guidance.